Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding a location to a TikTok video even after posting. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to the video you want to go ahead and add a location for, and select the three-dotted icon in the bottom right. Select that. Go over to Edit Post and select it. Where it says location, you can go ahead and select this field in here. And then at this point, you can either type in a location at the top, or you can go ahead and sort through the list of locations that show up further down below. And you see we just added a location here. And then once you're done, you would select save. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.